Hi gardening spirit boosters, welcome to the channel. I hope that my balcony gardening will inspire you to want to garden too. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Miss Janita coming to share with you a haul of some decorative items I am going to place around in the garden. I got it from Temu, the new site everybody's going crazy about. They have a lot of different kind of items on there, and some things are what, 50 cents, 60 cents, on up to $100 You have to pick and choose what you want on that site. But I love it because look what I found. Look at the frog. It's 3-piece set. One of them wasn't available. It's on, I got it. I have it where they can notify me when it's back. You know where you can order it. But check out my babies. Look at this little guy here. Isn't he cute? I don't know if he's holding a pot or what. He looks like he's meditating. He is so adorable. Look at my bird down there. I have a few of those birds right there. They are so freaking cute. Look at my turtle. Hey, guy. Hey. Miss Janita is so happy with this purchase. I have some other things, too, that I'm going to share with you guys. I got from Temu, but this is the biggest. No, I have one more big item, too, that I can set up in here and show you guys. But aren't they so cute? Sitting up in the garden with my little people, with my little plant friends. My plants seem to be hanging in there, you guys. They seem to be doing all right. I got to get me some more potting mix to, so I could repot them, put them in a bigger pot when they start getting bigger, my new plants. But yes, I am loving my Temu haul for gardening supplies. I also got some things for my crafting channel. If y'all want to check out my crafting channel, I got some crafting items. I got a video up about that. You can go and take a look at that. But let me share with you guys the other things I got for the garden. Okay, guys, look at this guy I got from Temu. Look at him, so cute. He has a little hat, and he has some trousers, and his gardening tools, and his pants, his gardening apron trousers. Gardening, what did I say? His gardening trousers have pockets where they can hold his little tools. Look at that. He has a shovel and a little fork, and he's carrying 2 pails of water, but one of them, I have a bird nest on there. How about that? He is freaking adorable. I love these things I got from Temu. Look at my little owl and the little tiny bird. Look at it. Look at it. Look at these adorable little things, you guys. These owls, I got like, I think it's a 3 set or 4 set. So I have more of these little tiny owls. And this cute turtle, that's the back of the turtle right there, that turquoise color. I'm going to turn him around. I think he's doing some kind of yoga. He is freaking cute. I love all of my things I purchased from Temu to share in my garden and to share with my gardening subscribers. I love these guys. Do you guys think they are cute? They are freaking adorable. I can't wait to go back on that site and look for more garden decor and items I can use and place around in my garden to happy up my day, to spirit boost my day, because it's all about spirit boosting, uplifting, making you feel good, happy, joyful, all those good things when you have stuff to put a smile on your face. And these are the kind of things I enjoy, is decor for my little garden, balcony garden. I just love it. Look at that bird nest. Look at that little bluebird. Look at that adorable owl. And look at that adorable turtle. I am so happy with my purchase. Do you guys know what Temu is? T-E-M-U. T-E-M-U. That's how you spell. Go there and check it out and see if you can find some nice little things for your home, your garden, your yard, your car, personal items, beauty items, fashion. They got all kind of stuff on Temu. Go check it out. And don't forget, if somebody has a code, I don't have a code. I wonder why I don't have a code. But anyway, I guess I don't know where my code is. But some people can share a code where you can save so much money off of your first purchase. But it is beautiful. I love my little things. Well, that's enough sharing for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just had to come through and show you my little gardening Temu garden decor supplies haul. And I love sharing it with you guys. Hope you guys enjoy what I share with you. And I have a few more of the birds. But I also have a tier tray. Well, that's going to be on my crafting channel, I believe. Maybe I can do something like that. I don't know. But I'll check it out. But anyway, I'm going to let you guys go. I just wanted to come through and share with you guys my adorable Temu garden supply, decor supplies haul. Bye for now, and looky-loos, passy-bys, trolleys, visitors. Don't forget to subscribe. Leave a lovely comment, but please subscribe also and invite me to your channel. But please subscribe. I would appreciate it, and you will too, because once we get to supporting each other, you'll love it. Now I must get caught up on you guys going to your channels and checking out your videos. All right, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Thanks for your time and support.